edge of the world where the waves collide, Zaynab's laughter rings, full of wonder and pride. The sun stands tall, his dreams in the breeze. Together they watch as the ocean frees. On the edge of the world where the waves collide, Zaynab's laughter rings, full of wonder and pride. Hasan stands tall, his dreams in the breeze. Together they watch as the ocean frees. The waves keep dancing, a rhythm so true, under the sun with sky so blue. Hand in hand they chase the tide, Zaynab and the sun, life's joy amplified. Zaynab climbs high, fearless and free, her spirit as bold as the endless sea. Hasan dreams big with a heart so kind. Together they are magic, a bond that binds. The seashore whispers stories untold of adventures ahead, of treasures they'll hold. A brother and sister, stars in their eyes, forever united where the ocean lies. The waves keep dancing, a rhythm so true, under the sun with sky so blue. Hand in hand they chase the tide, Zaynab and the sun, life's joy amplified. So here's to the waves, the sky and the sand, and the moments they cherish, hand in hand. Zaynab and the sun, as bright as the sun, the song of their childhood just begun.